go anywhere, Mohan. Aunt! We don't want you to pray for my son, Mohan. All of us here are Mohan's family and we can pray for him. Go away from here. I will not let you come near Mohan anywhere now. But Aunt, why are you saying this? I have done nothing.
Radha has saved Mohan and Gungun so many times. And despite all that, all of you today are believing in these superstitions and accusing Radha for no reason and fault of hers.
It was my mistake that I trusted Radha and I made a huge mistake.
But Madha, you...
Ajit, the doctor has prescribed some medicines for Mohan. Please go and get them.
Madha, you hear me out
Ajit.
once.
Listen, Shekhar, please go and arrange for some refreshments for all the priests. Greetings, Mr. Priest. Aunt, please listen to me. Aunt! Radha, please go away from here. How many times will you put Mohan's life in danger? Please spare my Mohan, Radha, please. No, Damini. Please don't send me away from Mohan right now. You won't listen politely. Get out of here now. You are not needed here anymore. In fact, no one will even let you come near Mohan. You are done for, forever. You get it? You have shown your true colors now. A while ago, you were pretending to be nice. You hugged me and shared your feelings. It was a part of your plan, right? You wanted to backstab me, right? Wow, Radha. You are so intelligent. You understood everything. Very nice. Come on, now be more intelligent and get out of here quietly. Mohan will forget about you and your love very soon. Did you get it? By the time Mohan regains consciousness, you would have gone far away from here. bad for you, Damini. You claim that you love Mohan. You can't live without him. What kind of love is this? Mohan is fighting death inside. And you are busy with your conspiracies.
Look, Radha, this is not the time to deliver dialogues. It is time to bid goodbye. So you just leave quietly or else I will drag you out of here, get it? And this time no one will stop me.
Damini?
Hey! Enough now. Just get out of here.
Get out.
Aren't you showing too much strength, Damini? I forgot that you have the habit of attacking weak people. I am quiet. But it's only because I respect you. But don't mistake my silence for my weakness. You are older than me. That's why I respect you. Or else I can also use some strength. I have plowed the fields. I have grounded sandalwood using a stone. I do all the chores with these hands. These hands can wipe someone's tears and protect someone as well. And if I raise my hand, you will fall unconscious, Damini.
Radha, get out of here
Or else what? What will you do, Damini? Will you try to hit me again? I dare you.
Radha,
Enough,
you...
Damini. Don't curse me. You have said enough, now it's my turn.
What will you say? This talkative, chirping mouth of yours has already been shut by my daughter.
Aunt Kaveri.
What?
Don't interrupt me. Or else if your bones break at this age, you'll suffer a lot. Damini, you remember all the incidents that took place after I came here. But you forgot about one incident. Do you remember what I'm talking about? You forgot to mention it.
What?
Mohan and Damini's engagement. Whatever you said, according to that, whatever happened in the house, it happened after you got engaged. What if you are unlucky for Mohan, not me? Do you remember that?
Radha, you...
Maybe Mohan has been facing so many problems because of you. The other day, the goons who kidnapped me from the jungle also kidnapped me from the house. I didn't even tell Mohan about it. Then how do you know it? On the day of Haryali Teej, after you found out that I was fasting for Mohan, I got trapped in the carpet. And then the carpet got fire. I got stuck inside the carpet because I had fallen unconscious. But may I tell you one thing? I don't know yet how I fell unconscious. But as far as I remember, you were the last person that I was with. I came to feed you, do you remember? And Damini, these incidents don't end here. This was the beginning. After that mud incident, a picture featuring Mohan and me got published in the newspaper. I know that the family was disgraced because of me. But again, I don't understand one thing. How did that man manage to reach the spot just in time to take our picture? How did he find out that I was going to fall into the mud and Mohan would save me?
It's nothing of the sort.
Don't worry, Damini. Don't worry. I don't have any proof as of now. But I swear to Lord Krishna, I will not go anywhere until I discover the truth. Just after the day Mohan spoke about taking my responsibility, Mohan and my photo in the mud was published. I hope you remember. And soon after that, the great priest came suddenly and talked about my marriage.
If you want your granddaughter to get married as soon as possible, then I can reconsider the temple's matter.
We just spoke about my marriage and my grandma met Hriday all of a sudden. And then Hriday asked to marry me.
My mom has been looking for alliances for me for a few months now, but I didn't even see those girls' pictures. But I readily agreed when it was about you.
Snakes come out in the gardens when it rains. How did the snake enter the house then? And when Mohan and I were looking for the one who betrayed us, Rahul reached the spot wearing a sari. So many coincidences. happening one by one. It's amazing. And poor Gungun. Just because she changed the name on the card and made me sit in your place in the turmeric ceremony, she was attacked twice within 24 hours. First, someone tried to set her on fire. And the next time someone planted a bomb on her bus.
Activate the bomb quickly and burn everyone down to ashes. Got it?
Damini, I'm not saying you did all that. But this is also true that you were really angry at Gungun the other day. And everyone knows that you don't like Gungun much.
There is nothing like this.
Don't worry, Sister Damini. Don't worry. I didn't say that. You tried to kidnap me. That you tried to set me on fire. That you sent Hriday. That you misguided Rahul. That you tried to kill Gungun. That you planted the bomb. That you brought the snake home. I'm just saying that so many coincidences can never happen one by one. I don't have any proof right now. But I swear on Lord Krishna, I won't leave without finding out the truth.
Radha, I can throw you out in a jiffy. You got it?
Keep your hands to yourself, Sister Damini. You don't have the power to take me away from Mohan.
My son is struggling for his life and you are creating a scene here, Radha. Go away from here. Get out of here right now.
Aunt Kadambari, do you think Mohan is suffering because of me?
You are the only one responsible for my son's condition. I made a mistake. I just couldn't realize. Thanks to Damini. That she brought Mr. Priest here and made things clear to me. But now, everything is absolutely clear to me now. Ever since you came to our house, my son has been facing problems one after another. And now my son's life is completely ruined. And you are the only one responsible for that. Ajit, make arrangements to send her to Barsana.
But Aunt, I didn't do anything like this to Mohan.
But we are not saying anything. Hey, she doesn't need to do anything, Kadambari, but you yourself are a jinxed person. Even by mistake also, if you happen to look at our Mohan, then also his life will come into danger.
I beg you, Aunt, please don't do this. I can't leave Mohan. I can't leave Mohan in this condition. Please don't send me away.
I am not saying that you are a bad girl. But I can't risk my son's life after hearing to what Mr. Priest said. You must leave from here, Radha.
I won't leave until Mohan regains consciousness. Just let Mohan regain consciousness. Let me see him once. After that, I'll leave on my own.
Radha, you don't need to worry about Mohan so much. Mohan's wife is present here to take care of him. It's possible that Mohan doesn't come around till you are here. Everything bad happened to him because of you.
Damini is absolutely right. The bad omen can be avoided only by following this. This is the only way.
Mr. Priest, I don't understand what you mean.
Kadambari Devi, I mean to say that Mohan and Damini should get married. That too right now. Only then Mohan will get rid of the Markesh dosh.
Damini, are you ready to marry him?
Mother, I can do anything for Mohan. If this is the only way to save Mohan, then I am ready to marry him right away.
Oh my daughter is such a brave girl. Otherwise, who will be ready to marry such a half-headed man?
Mom!
What I mean to say is that my daughter loves Mohan so much. Just see, just see.
Gungun has not eaten anything ever since she returned home. She's sad and is in the temple.
Dulari, how can a daughter eat when her father's life is at risk? I know Gungun very well. She can't live without Radha and Mohan. And I wonder how Mohan is. No one is saying anything. And Damini? I'm sure she's playing some tricks.
Mr. Priest, if this is the only way to save my son's life, then please make arrangements for the wedding. I am ready.
No! Hold on. Pardon me, priest, but the groom is unconscious. How can you get him married?
Hey girl, do you realize what you are saying? You are teaching me how to perform rituals. I'm a priest. I know what can be done and what can't be done.
I'm sorry, priest. I'm not teaching you anything. I'm just asking you a simple question. The bride and the groom must be in full senses to understand and take the vows of marriage. It is written in the scriptures, right? And no scripture can permit this. You also know that, priest. And if the bride or the groom is unconscious and if they are not able to understand the vows, that marriage is unfair, right?
Yeah, I was saying that, I mean...
Answer me, priest.
Radha has a point. We must not get them married in a hurry.
Mr. Trivedi, if my son Mohan's life can be saved by getting him married to Damini, then please let him get married to Damini.
But Kadambari, Radha...
When you married me and I came into Trivedi house, you gave Mohan's responsibility to me. Let me do it for the sake of that responsibility. If there is even a little hope for my child's life, then let me do it. Please let this wedding happen, Mr. Trivedi.
Aunt...
Look, Radha. Everyone has agreed to get Mohan and me married. So please just leave from here.
You must have convinced everyone, Damini. But my question remains the same. The priest hasn't answered my question yet. This wedding is not possible.
What do you mean by saying that? Who are you to stop this wedding? And how is Mohan related to you?
I don't find it necessary to explain to you how I am related to Mohan's sister Damini. I won't leave. Neither will I let this wedding happen. Priest, I am the daughter of priest Rameshwar from Barsana. That's why I know the scriptures too. In a marriage, the bride and the groom must understand the vows. It's necessary. If one doesn't remember the vows, how will he follow them, priest? Marriage is not a game. This is a relationship of a lifetime.
I have been telling everyone all along that there are some stubborn people who will never listen. Hey, you! It's enough now. You always interfere in other people's business. Hey, you! It's enough now. Just get lost now.
I won't leave. How can I leave?
Why? Now I will not listen to a word of yours. I will drag you by your hair and throw you out of here.
Radha,
Mr. Trivedi, if you accept that I have ever fulfilled my responsibility of being Mohan's mom, then please let me handle this. This is the right thing to do for Mohan.
Mohan!
I, Mohan Trivedi, vow in front of all of you with Lord Krishna as my witness that from now Radha will be my responsibility.
Shout. Shout as much as you want. To save Draupadi from Dushasan, Mohan had to come. But to save you, our Mohan will not come this time. Shout! Shout!
Look, both of you. This girl is a threat to our patient. If I see this girl around the hospital, I will get both of you fired. Understand?
Yes, madam. I will keep that in mind.
Good. Come on, get up.
Now finally I am at peace. That Radha went. Now our lives will be filled with happiness and joys. And Gungun's life will be left with shrouded in darkness. Hey, come on, come on. Let's make preparations for your wedding. Come on.
Mom,
Excuse me, doctor is calling you.
what does the doctor want now?
Mohan, I know that Radha loves you a lot, my dear. But your life will be safe with Damini. I am taking this decision because as a mother, your safety is more important to me than letting you be with the person you love. Please forgive me, dear. In fact, even Lord Krishna himself didn't choose Radha but chose Rukmani instead of Radha.
Damini's making you walk on the wrong path. Her intentions aren't good for our family. She's just using you.
Yes, Damini. What's up?
Damini's puppet. Why don't you become a servant?
Congratulations, Rahul. It's time to launch our first attack against Radha.
What do you mean?
I am getting married to Mohan in the hospital right now.
What?
It was a nice surprise, right? Come on, congratulate me now.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Anyway, I will tell you the rest later, but right now you have to do something important. I had stitched a sherwani for Mohan. It is in his room. Could you please bring it to the hospital immediately?
That's great. I'll get it right away.
Okay.
Rahul, did Mohan gain consciousness? What is the matter? Is Mohan all right? Answer me, Rahul. Say something, Rahul.
No. Mohan is still unconscious. But yes, Mohan is getting married. That's why I'm taking his sherwani to the hospital.
Mohan is getting married in this state. With whom?
Home? Of course, it's Damini. Who else? Who do you think he'll marry? That silly Radha? I don't know, Keki, what that Radha has done to you. That if it were up to you, I don't know, you would have willingly given her mom's position in this family.
And if it were up to you, you would make Damini the head of our country. I don't know what Damini has told you, Rahul. So this was Damini's ploy. I knew it. Whenever this family faces any problem, Damini always takes advantage of it. Radha, you are my only hope. Please, don't let Mohan and Gungun's life be destroyed. Please stop this wedding, Radha.
Gungun?
Radha, how is Mohan? When are you both coming home? Radha, are you okay? Are you alright? I'm really scared.
Gungun? Hey, why are you scared?
You are my brave daughter.
Everything is fine here. You don't worry. Mohan is getting better too. Did you forget? When you fell sick, you took time to get better, right? Similarly, it will take time for Mohan to get better. But as soon as he gets better, he will return home.
Okay, Radha. I am waiting for you and Mohan. Please come soon. Radha, may I say something?
Sure.
Stay with Mohan, please. Please. Damini is not nice. I'm scared of her. What if she harms Mohan? If you stay with Mohan, then he will be safe. Only you can fight with Damini. Don't let her go close to Mohan. Please.
Okay.
Miss Damini, honestly, I was angry because of the way you spoke to me. But then I realized that you said those things because you love Mr. Mohan. So it's okay. It's not wrong to be worried about your loved ones.
Doctor, how can I not stand up for my family? I lose my mind even when Mohan gets a scratch. And here, Mohan's life is in danger. And I cannot explain you that how scared I was earlier.
Doctor, nobody can match the love which my daughter has for Mohan. That's unparalleled. She, for the sake of her Mohan, not only with you, she will fight with God also.
I realize that. Otherwise, why would anyone want to marry a guy who is admitted in the ICU? But Miss Damini, I have a piece of good news for you. You won't have to marry Mohan like this. Mohan will regain consciousness soon.
What? Are you sure, doctor?
Of course, I'm absolutely sure. Our treatment and medicines are working on Mohan. And the scan shows there are no clots or internal bleeding in the brain. If everything works out, he will wake up in a few hours.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. That's an amazing news. Your plan got foiled before you could get married to him.
No, Mom. This is not possible. Mohan cannot wake up. How?
Damini, are you alright?
Look, doctor. Mohan cannot come around at any cost. He cannot wake up before we get married. This is not possible.
But why? Isn't this good news for you?
Look, I will decide what's good for me and what isn't. First, tell me whether you can help me or not. If there is a way to make this possible, I will pay you handsomely. Tell me, how much money do you want? 1 million? 2 million? 3 million? 4 million?
5 million.
What?
Yes, 5 million rupees.
Great. You will get it. Tell me, what needs to be done?
We have to give Mohan an injection. It will ensure that Mohan doesn't come around for 2 hours. But you can get this injection in the black market because it is illegal for us to use it. And yes, one more thing. This injection is quite risky. The injection could affect Mohan badly given the condition he's in. He might not be able to walk after this. He won't be able to speak either. He will almost lifeless.
Oh Lord.
Are you ready to take this risk, Damini?
He won't die, right?
You are right, Gungun. Damini would never want what's best for Mohan. I am the only one who can fight with her. And right now, this isn't the time to give up, but to fight. Thank you for talking to me. And thank you for trusting me, Gungun. It's okay if Mohan's eyes are shut. I will be his eyes. I will tell him what's good for him and what isn't. Let me see how Damini marries Mohan against his will. As long as I am around, no one can harm Mohan.
What are you doing, Damini? Do you want to marry a man who will be almost lifeless?
Yes, Mom. Mohan will be nearly dead, but he will belong to me, no? Mom, Mohan is not only my love, but also my passion. And anyway, there is a cure for everything in this world. Once I marry Mohan, and if anything happens to him, I will take him to the best doctors and get him treated. I will cure him. Yes.
But I won't give him that injection. If someone finds out, then...
Fine, it's okay. Give me the name of the injection and the dosage. I will get someone to administer the injection.
Okay.
Hello?
Ma'am, you won't rest until you make me rich, madam. You remembered me again.
Because I knew you wouldn't have left the city yet.
Yes, no, I was actually about to leave.
There is no need for that. You have to buy a medicine for me from the market.
Medicine? Who do you want to cure, ma'am?
It won't cure anyone. I want to make a patient's condition worse.
Ma'am, you only know what you are talking about. Work will be done.
Listen, this is very important. You have to administer the injection once you bring it, okay?
No, madam, I can't administer the injection.
Watch a couple of videos on the internet, you will learn. I will message you the name of the medicine, okay? And listen, you didn't complete the previous task I gave you. Make sure you perform this task properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Lord Krishna, you taught us that love requires sacrifice. How could Damini call this love? She cares about marrying Mohan more than his life. Marrying someone without their consent is not love. It's a sin, Lord Krishna. I don't understand why Damini is in a hurry to marry Mohan. No. I don't think Damini's intentions are pure. What if she's the traitor? I have to stop Damini from doing the wrong thing. I have to stop her. No. I won't let Damini take advantage of the fact that Mohan is unconscious. I won't let this wedding take place.